In this video, I'll show you how to update brand description in WooCommerce. For this example, let's take a look at this product on my site. As you can see underneath, it's currently assigned to a demo brand. Let's click on it. I'll be redirected to the brand page, and at the very top it will feature the brand title and the brand description. So if you're looking to edit or fully remove the brand description, in this video I'll show you how to do that. At first, log into your WordPress admin account. On the left side of the screen, hover on Products, then select Brands. On this page, look for the brand that you would like to update. In my case, I only have one, demo brand. Let's hover on it, then click on Edit. Right in here, look for the description section, and that's where you can make the change. As in my case, let me highlight all the text, and delete it, and then update the changes. Once the changes are saved, go back to your website and try refreshing the brand page. And as you can see, in my case, the brand description was fully removed. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please come on my channel. Thank you.